Berhad have grown to become one of Malaysia's major engineering-based infrastructure and services conglomerates. Its influence extends beyond Malaysia's boundaries into emerging and developed nations with a focus on four major businesses, which are motorways, township and property development, engineering and construction, and asset and facility management. UEM Group Berhad usually have a big influence on everyone, especially in maintaining sustainability within their operation. UEM Group, which is listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia, has a clear vision to optimize assets and improve lives and promises the way of delivering quality services to its client by going above and beyond standards and offering technology-based solutions. I would like to talk about detailed analysis of the facility's current operation of UEM Group Berhad. UEM Group Berhad had prominent Malaysian company has established itself as a leading player in various sectors such as construction, engineering, property development and infrastructure. In the engineering, construction and environment segment, UEM Group Berhad offer a comprehensive range of services such as project design, construction and management for infrastructure projects including highways, bridges, airports and railways. Noteworthy projects undertaken by the company in Malaysia including the MRT2 Mass Rapid Transit project and the Pan-Borneo Highway. The property and infrastructure segment focuses on property development, investment and management services. UEM Group Berhad actively participates in the development of residential and commercial properties, such as the Simpani Hills and Puteri Harbour project in Malaysia. Furthermore, the company operates toll highways of strategic importance in Malaysia, including the North-South Expressway and the second Malaysia to Singapore Second Link. The manufacturing and consulting segment of UEM Group Berhad encompasses manufacturing building materials like concrete and precast components. Additionally, the company provides consulting services related to environmental planning and engineering. Next, I would like to talk about potential benefit in implement of industrial ecology and UEM Group Berhad. Industrial ecology is a concept that encourages the effective and sustainable use of resources in industrial process. UEM Group Berhad can gain the following benefits by using this method. First is the waste reduction and recycling. This method will cause notion of waste as a resource emphasized in industrial ecology. To divert materials from landfill and foster a circular economy, UEM Group Berhad may execute waste reduction measures like as waste segregation and recycling programs. Recycling and reusing material can help the organization decrease its environmental impact while also potentially generating new cash sources. Second is the resource efficiency, which the goal of industrial ecology is to maximize the use of resources such as energy, water and raw materials. UEM Group Berhad may reduce resource consumption and improve operating efficiency by applying practices like as recycling, trash reduction and energy saving. This can result in economic savings and a smaller environmental effect. Implementing industrial ecology practices can assist UEM Group Berhad in meeting and executing environmental requirements and norms. By managing its environmental consequences proactively, the organization may limit the risk of non-compliance, potential penalties, and reputational harm. Third is innovation and competitive advantage. Industrial ecology promotes innovative thinking and the study of new technologies and processes. UEM Group Berhad may make use of these changes to produce sustainable solutions. differentiate itself in the market and obtain a competitive edge over peers that have not adopted industrial ecology concepts. And employing industrial ecology practices can increase resource efficiency, waste generation, environmental performance, and UEM Group Berhad's corporate image. In an increasingly resource constrained and ecologically sensitive society, it can contribute to long term sustainability, operating cost savings, and resilience.
There are few strategies used in implementing industrial ecology for UEM Berhad. The first one is waste reduction. Analyze the material used in UEM Group Berhad activities in great details. Access option for waste reduction, recycling and reuse, as well as the origin, quantities and destination of the materials. Change from a take, make, dispose linear model to a circular economy strategy. Enhance resource efficiency, reduce waste production, and promote product life extension. Recycling and remanufacturing while designing product and process. Put mechanism in place to reduce waste production and recover useful materials from waste streams. This could entail using more eco-friendly production method, putting waste segregation and recycling program in place, and investigating cutting-edge resource recovery technology such as anaerobic digestion and composting. The third one is waste reduction. Create water management strategies to reduce water use and increase water effectiveness. Reduce water usage and advance sustainable water management by implementing water-saving technology such as rainwater collection, wastewater recycling, and effective irrigation system. Encourage cooperation with vendors, clients, and other stakeholders as you all fight to reduce your use of water. Form alliance with business or trade group to exchange best practice and benefit from collective knowledge. Spread knowledge among the workforce about the values of water conservation and the use of industrial ecology. Offering training program will give staff members the knowledge and abilities they need to locate and use water saving strategies. The third one is energy efficiency. Install an energy management system to keep track of, regulate, and manage energy use at all of UEM Group facilities. To find and manage energy waste, this may require real-time data collecting, analysis, and feedback mechanism. Investigate and make investment in renewable energy sources like biomass, wind, and solar. This may entail putting up solar panel on rooftop using windmill or putting biomass co-generation system in place. With this change, greenhouse gas emission will decrease and reliance on fossil fuel will decline. Look into possibilities for resource sharing and cooperation with other UEM Group enterprise or outside partner. Resource can be used more effectively and waste reduced by exchanging byproduct, energy, or waste materials. Number 4 is eco-industrial park development. To create an efficient vision for the eco-industrial park, promote collaboration among stakeholders, including business, governmental organizations, and neighborhood communities. Engage in throughout planning that consider the fusion of industries, waste disposal method, and infrastructure development. Encourage the eco-industrial park industries to exchange and share resources, reusing waste materials, recovering energy, reusing water, sharing infrastructure, and providing logistic services are a few examples of what this can include. Encourage enterprise to look for potential for waste to resource conversion and to find synergy. Encourage business to use green technologies and eco-design concept in their operation. Encourage the adoption of eco-friendly manufacturing method, energy-saving procedures, and renewable energy resources. Encourage the use of eco-friendly product and resources. And the last one is resource recovery. Adopt the tenet of a circular economy by creating goods and procedures that reduce waste production. Encourage recycling and reuse and maximize resources efficiency. This can involve making items durable, using recycled material and putting take-back program in place. Investigate and take up cutting-edge technology that supports circular economy principle and resource recovery. Advanced recycling technique, waste-to-energy option, and digital platform for resources management and optimization might all fall under this category. Determine places where resources and energy can be saved or improved. This can involve putting energy-saving technology into use, switching to cleaner industrial method, and maximizing material use by recycling, reusing, or lowering trash production.
Next is the economic feasibility of IE in UEM Group Berhad. First is cost reduction. Cost reduction will lead to cost saving by identifying opportunities can reduce costs associated with waste management. Next is increased efficiency. IE encourage efficient use of resources that will improve operational efficiency that end up with enhanced overall productivity. Next is revenue generation. It will create opportunities through a new development and would explore waste to energy facility. Next is regulatory compliance and risk mitigation. It will help UEM to comply with environmental regulation and reduce the potential risk associated with non-compliance. The company can demonstrate its commitment to sustainability, which may enhance its reputation and reduce the risk of penalties or legal issue. The lastly is stakeholder expectation. It can align UEM group with this expectation and improve stakeholder relationship, potentially leading to increased market competitive and brand value.
Recommendation for financing in implement industrial ecology. The first one is grant and funding program. Numerous government entities, non-profit and foundation provide financing program and grant opportunities intended expressly to assist sustainable and environmentally friendly enterprise. The funding from this grant may be used to carry out industrial ecology project. Second one is public-private partnership. Financing industrial ecology project may be possible by partnering with private organization. PPPs entail a partnership between a government organization and one or more private business who pool their resources, knowledge, and finance to accomplish shared objective. The third one is green bond. Green bonds are fixed income financial product designed expressly to fund initiatives that help the environment. These bonds, which are issued by corporation, government, or financial institution, give investors the chance to profit while supporting green initiatives. Four is corporate social responsibility. Many businesses set aside a percentage of their resources for CSR initiatives, such as a sustainable development program. Some businesses have foundation or funds specifically designed to promote environmental and social objectives. Investigate organizations known for their dedication to sustainability and look into their funding initiative. The last one is collaborate funding. To combine resources and spread costs, think about establishing partnership and collaboration with other organizations like university, research institution, and NGO. This can lessen the financial load and improve the likelihood of obtaining funding from a variety of sources.
For potential barrier to implement IE for UEM, first is organization thinking. Implementing IE require a shift in management or organization culture and mindset. It may involve changes in business processes, resource management practices, and collaboration with others industry. Second is the financial consideration. By implement IE, practices may require upfront investment, infrastructure, technology, and training. The cost of changing existing facility or establishing a new system for resource exchange and waste management can be a significant barrier. The third one is a lack of suitable partnership and infrastructure. IE relies on establishment of partnership and network among different industry to facilitate resource exchange and collaboration. Next is regulatory and policy framework. The regulatory and policy framework in place can either support or hinder the implementation of IE. In some cases, regulation may not mandate sustainable practice, make it less attractive for companies like UEM to invest in industrial ecology initiative. Next is information and data availability. It relies on accurate and comprehensive data on resource flow, waste generation, and potential synergy among industry. The availability and accessibility of such data can pose a barrier. And lastly is lack of stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement is important as it requires a collaboration and engagement with various stakeholders, including industry partner, local communities, government agencies, and as well as NGOs. Next is the strategies to overcome the barrier of implement IE for UEM Group Berhad. First is to create a clear vision and goals by develop a clear vision for implement IE within UEM Group Berhad and define specific goals that align with the organization overall objective. Second is to establish partnership and collaboration. It can create a partnership and collaboration with other organizations, industry association, research institution, and government agencies to leverage their expertise. Third is to foster a culture of sustainability by building a culture of sustainability within an organization by raising awareness about the benefit of IE and integrate sustainability principle into the company values and decision making processes. Next is to engage stakeholder. Engage key stakeholder within UEM Group Berhad, including employees, management, customers, suppliers, and local communities. And lastly is to continuously learn and adapt. Encourage a continuous learning and adaptation within UEM Group Berhad to stay updated with the emerging best practices, technology, regulation related to industrial ecology. In the conclusion, by implementing IE practices in UEM Group Berhad industrial facility can significantly reduce the environmental impact and improve sustainability. By embracing industrial ecology, the facility can position itself as a sustainable leader in the construction and infrastructure industry while contributing to the transition towards a circular and environmentally friendly economy.